viewers, once again, I'm on Sob Kemolaga channel or itu nutun update kura video welcome kura. Channel dia se achi morning Nagaland Post day Monsop kura dikhi thakibo ekta khobor one nation one election. Yani one nation ekta election. Edu laga khobor Monsop kura dikhi thakibo. Do achi laga video day edu one nation one election to ki ase. Aro tai laga advantages or disadvantages to ki ase. I'm now सबके share करी दी बोले इधर वीडियो लेके ना हाँ first day चना दिया से
nation one election impossible है
एक देश एक चुनाव हम पक्ष में नहीं है
हमको क्या मिलेगा one election की 10 election
one nation one election माने एकता nation एकता election इधर लगा ओपोरे central ब्रांच discuss करूबले approve करी के ना आसे फुई ना खाबी approve करूले क्या आसे इधर amend हुआ ना amend होले मोहन बा follow करी के ना चावला आसे तो central ब्रा इधर लगा ओपोरे this winter session डे कथा कोई सब को के ना इधर आज morning लगा news डे मोहन सब ब्रा दिखी के ना आसे इधर one nation one election माने की आसे बोले तो every 5 year डे election डो एक पाए लोगो इना का कोई आसे first day Lok Sabha election lobo, individual mohanaga state assembly election lobo, individual local bodies, municipalities laga, noele panchayat laga, every 5 year day, ek pae lobo. Ajikali laga election laga system de sashulado, every year day election loigana ahese. Recently, Jammu and Kashmir loise, aro Maharashtra de bi loa monso pradikise. To next year be alak state pae naga lobo, aro next year be inaga loigana ase. To every year day, India day election do loigana ahese. Nagaland laga do hole 2023 to kotha moise idia 2028 ti logole ase to tahan laga time schedule states laga niju laga time schedule hisab te election do hole every year logena ase to idia one nation one election do kwa do hole inegan hoigena every 5 year di election do ek par lobo lok sabha laga bi ek par lobo aro state assembly laga bi ek par lobo aro local bodies agir ko anisna municipalities hobi panchayat la hobi to ek par lobo inaga koyas
Here in India, the rumor mills are buzzing. There is talk of one nation, one election. What does that mean? It means all elections would be held simultaneously. The general election, the state assembly elections, even the local elections, all of them will be held together. That's one nation, one election. In fact, after independence, this is how elections were done in India, all at once. But in the 1950s and 60s, the cycle broke. Some state governments were dismissed by the centre, others were dissolved before their tenure. As a result, the timing got jumbled. But the current government of Prime Minister Modi wants to change this. It wants one nation, one election. The ruling party, which is the BJP, had promised this in 2014 and then again in 2019. The Prime Minister too has endorsed this idea multiple times, but it never really took off.
So, Anambi Pabana Purishabi. Maybe wonder kuri. Kile every year election loi, Kuana maybe wonder kuri. Kile idea Kwanisna, one nation, one election Kwanisna. Kile a pine no Kuana Pabana Purabi Ekta Takisha. Holibi, yade disadvantage or advantages species as day. If our viewers can, Anambi Pabana Purishabi. Idea advantages. One nation, one election laga advantages kiase. Aro one nation, one election laga disadvantage to kiase. Idea one step by step, Pujigana Chavo. Advantages to inaga asiki. Number 1 de voter turnout PC hobo nimide. Number 2 de policy making certainty hobo nimide. Because hotai election loi thagabra policy making de ektar certainty nai inaga koi ase. Number 3 de adverse policies changes na thago nimide. For example, Nagaland de state assembly election do hole 2023 de thagise. Edia 1 year bijre 2024 de Lok Sabha election thagise. To 2023 day, Nagaland state government bra kun bra government form hoi tahan bra policy ekta bonai dibo. Ineka bonadam de aro Lok Sabha election kun to next year da hebo. For taking an example of this year, now 2024 aise. To dade ekta law notun law pass kurigina state te pass kurigina thaga edu ko oppose kurigina pass kurisu koledo mohan ki bi ekdam dikta hobo. Na edu bra edu nisna policy changes to na habo nimide edu one nation one election duele implement gurila policy kugina guas. Number 4 day one nation one election reduce financial burden guas. Number 5 day scarce resources pal bra cholao nimide. Number 6 day availability of more time for governance and unhindered public services. Number 7 day election disputes kan kumdi guru nimide. Number 8 day to save time and energy for political workers, government and security forces. Viewers, itu hole one nation one election laga advantages ase. to advantages thakise bole to disadvantages bi thakibo sure ase to one nation one election laga disadvantages to ki ase idia mon hunigena chabo. Number 1 day, if a party fails to get a majority, there is no clarity on how to deal with it when one nation one election concept is implemented. Number 2 day, one nation one election may hamper the prospect of regional political parties since they may not able to highlight local issues. They may not be able to compete with national parties. Number 3 day, it can be implemented only after making changes in constitution and other legal frameworks. Number 4 day, it may overshadow regional issues affecting the state level electoral outcome. Number 5 day, regional political parties have limited resources and thus may unable to highlight local issues comparing to better funded parties campaigning for the Lok Sabha election. So viewers, idia monso pra janise one nation one election laga disadvantage or advantages to ki ase monso pra buji paise. Idia monso pra conclusion de bujulu ki ase bole do one nation one election mane every 5 year de election do hole ek pare loile phal election process or election system to change nugrubo holibi khali timeline ni change kurule go ase to every 5 year de election Lok Sabha election hobi state assembly laga hobi nohole local bodies laga hobi ek party loi dile phal ase kilo gole inaga lo shiblo do financial crisis bi kumdi hobo aro time bi mohon manage kurula parbo koi ase oro on the other hand edu laga disadvantage to ki ase bole do regional party to harai chabo koi ase regional parties khan bra well funded national parties khan lode compete kuru na barbo edu dan de regional party khan do harai chabo koi na edu main to the advantage or disadvantage ma chode edia central government bra one nation one election laga opore this winter session de kotha kobole koi kina ase tahan bra approve kurise phuina khabi approve kurise buake implement kuranai amend kuranai amend kurili mohon cholai kina chawla ase edu bra viewers kan amna laga phapana bi kurisabi one nation one election do hole phal hobona no hobo to moi bra nokoi kina thaka disadvantage or advantages amna han bi jani kina thakibo to comment section de likhi kina comments kurole request kurabi amna sob ke janai di ase aji laga video iman khatam kuri di ase thank you everyone for watching my video and see you all my next video.